Hey guys, it's your young car enthusiast Ayan back with another walk around review. Today, I am here at a newly opened showroom in Thane. It's my first walk around review or a review of an international brand. I am at Modi BYD in Thane. For your information, the full form of BYD is Build Your Dreams. And it has been my greatest dream to come to this showroom and see the lovely cars on display here. So, which car are we going to look at today? We are going to see the BYD Sea Lion 7.
Check it out. Check it out.
Let's start looking at the key of the car which the showroom representatives have kindly provided me with. It has the BYD badging on the front, and at the back you can see 4 buttons: lock, unlock, boot open, and if you long press this button you can start the car. Many of you, just like me, will be in awe of how this car looks. These are the headlamps of the car, and down here you will expect to see fog lamps, but there are none. Here is the BYD badging in chrome. Here is the radar of the car for the ADAS. Again, the large headlamps. And this car even gets front parking sensors. We also see frameless wipers in the car. And here is the camera for the ADAS. This car has camera plus radar ADAS. Here I've opened the bonnet lid of the car. And here you see a 58-liter front trunk or frunk of the car. And here is the place to fill your washer fluid. Let's start looking at the side profile of the car. First thing that many people will notice are these large tires and the large alloy wheels with the BYD badging. These are 19-inch alloy wheels. Here you see the BYD design. The design team has obviously done a great job. Here are the body colored ORVMs of the car. And here is the small camera for the 360-degree camera function of the car. This car even has blind spot warning on the ORVMs. Here are the flush door handles of the car with the request sensor. Here is the blacked out B pillar. And you will see a kind of sloping roofline in this car. Again, the flush door handles and the large tires. This is where you get to see a part of the tail light with the BYD tech badging on it. Let's move to the rear of the car. Many people will first notice this LED light bar, connected tail lights running across the boot of the car. Here is the spoiler of the car in piano black. And here is another design element like a spoiler to enhance the aerodynamic efficiency. Here is the BYD Sea Lion 7 badging in chrome and the BYD logo in chrome. And here is another EV badging. Now let's look at the boot space of the car. This car has electric tailgate open. You will see that this car has amazing boot space. These are 500 liters of boot space. You can also fold these seats 60-40 split to increase your boot space. Let's close the tailgate and head inside the car to see what it has to offer. Here, the car has been unlocked and you see the door handles popped out and the ORVM came out with the indicator flashing. Also, not to forget, the door handles have a BYD badging on them. Now let's step inside the car. Here I am sitting in the driver's seat. Let's talk about the door first. Here you have the power window switches, the lock and unlock, and this is the adjustment for your ORVMs. The unique lift type door handles are also a great feature. You will also notice a button to open the boot from inside the car. The windows have 2 layers of glass to improve UV protection and also soundproofing. And all 4 windows of this car have one touch up and down. Talk about the seat adjustments of the car. There are many seat adjustment options, especially for the driver's seat. It also has ventilated seats. The passenger seat is also electrically adjustable, but it does not offer as many adjustment options as the driver. Here you see the steering wheel with the BYD badging on it. The steering is also leather wrapped. Here you will see a 10.25-inch screen-like digital instrument cluster. Here is an AC vent. Here are the pedals, the accelerator, brake, and the dead pedal to rest your left foot. This is the panoramic glass roof of the car. It cannot be opened, but it's still a great feature. It is covered by a blind which can be opened and closed from the front of the car. Here the car has been switched on. You can see how excellent this big display looks, and even the instrument cluster. Now I will press a button on the screen to show you a cool party trick. Can you see how excellent this is? The screen rotated to portrait mode just at the touch of a button. Now, it went back to landscape. Another feature that this car has is auto-dimming IRVM. It also offers ambient lighting throughout the car. One more important feature of the car is this small rectangle, but it is very important. It is a fatigue monitoring system for the driver. It will pop up a warning on the instrument cluster to tell the driver that he should take a break before continuing driving. There are not one, but two wireless charging pads in the car. This is the mini, shiny finished drive selector of the car. Here is the hazard button with capacitive touch. Here is the electronic parking brake. And here are the cup holders of the car. This is the large armrest of the car. It can also open to reveal some storage. Talking about storage spaces, there are many in the car, including the doors, the glove box, and this big storage bin, which also offers charging options. Let me open the glove box of the car. According to me, it seems to be decently sized. Now, let's move to the back of the car. I'm sitting in the rear seat of the BYD Sea Lion 7 and let's see what it has to offer. If you see the seats, they have ISOFIX child seat mounts. Here's the logo and adjustable headrests. Looking at the center seat, it gets an adjustable headrest and a 3-point seat belt. The armrest is huge. The cup holders release at the touch of a button, which gives a premium feel. And here, the floor is completely flat, so no one has to sit knees up to compromise their comfort. Talking about seat comfort, legroom and headroom, both are completely ample even for a tall person. Here we also see rear AC vents and 2 charging ports. The battery offers in premium 230 kilowatt of power and 380 Nm of torque, and in the performance variant it offers 390 kilowatt of power and 690 Nm of torque. You must note that the torque in performance variant is almost double of that in the premium variant. It has 11 airbags and 12 speakers. The speakers are branded by DYN Audio. The BYD Sea Lion 7 is available in 4 color options: Atlantis Grey that you see here, Shark Grey, Aurora White and Cosmos Black. In my excitement to see all the cars in my walk around reviews, I did not give my signature thumbsometer, so it makes a comeback with this car. Excellent! I found this car to be way beyond my expectations, and I think many others will find it that way too. Thanks to all the folks at Modi BYD Thane who happily provided me with all the information about this car and were also very hospitable.